Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we'll learn about physics. What physics is all about. It is a branch of science which deals with matter and energy and interaction between them. Matter is the substance which has some mass and occupies some space, and the ability to do work of any substance is called energy. Physics involves the study of everything in physical existence, from the smallest subatomic particles to the entire universe. The main goal of physics is to understand the existence, working and behavior of our universe. Let's have a look on the branches of physics. Mechanics. It is the study of motion of objects, its cause and effects. Mechanics is divided into two parts: classical mechanics, quantum mechanics. Classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is a physical theory describing the motion of macroscopic objects, from projectiles to parts of machinery and astronomical objects, such as spacecraft, planets, stars, and galaxies. The laws of classical mechanics were stated by Sir Isaac Newton in 1687. The laws of classical mechanics enable us to calculate the trajectories of bullets and baseballs, planets, and space vehicles. Using these laws we can predict the position versus time relation for a cylinder rolling down an inclined boat or for an oscillating pendulum, and can calculate the tension in the wire when a picture is hanging on a wall. Quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the study of physics on very small length scales. In quantum mechanics, particles have wave-like properties, and a particular wave equation. Particles sometimes shows wave property and sometimes act as a particle. This is called particle-wave duality. Everything in universe is made up of atoms, and atoms have subatomic particles. As we know, the electron has property of particle-wave duality, so we can say everything acts like a wave. Just imagine the whole universe is like an ocean and every substance is a wave in that ocean. If wave is very high we see it individually, but it is the part of ocean and can't be separated. Classical physics, the collection of theories that existed before the advent of quantum mechanics, describes many aspects of nature at an ordinary, macroscopic, scale, but is not sufficient for describing them at small, atomic and subatomic, scales. It started at the turn of the 20th century, around the same time Albert Einstein published his theory of relativity, a separate revolution in physics that describes the motion of things at high speeds. Unlike relativity, however, the origins of quantum mechanics cannot be attributed to a single scientist. Rather, multiple scientists contributed to a foundation that gradually gained acceptance and experimental verification between the late 1800s and 1930. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Other branches of the physics will be discussed in next parts of the video. Please like, share and subscribe for new interesting videos. Also comment down any question related to video and what should be the next topic.